As a parent, I just spent so much time cleaning up after small people. Having someone come and clean up after me for a change was really nice.
Points and miles saving money on travel, but also making the experience better with different benefits and then redeeming for luxury or higher.
Yeah, and we would never have stayed here. I hear that the spa at this property also is fantastic, although we didn't get a chance to sample the spa, but there's absolutely no way that we would have spent over $400 to stay at a hotel in our home city without that FHR credit. If you're looking for a place to burn an FHR credit in the Carolinas, can't go wrong with the Umstead. Other property that I will suggest is one that is definitely under the radar, off the beaten path, but this is a timely time to talk about it because the Chase Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card has the 5 free night offer once again. My Player 2 opened that card last summer, but when they changed the guest lounge access policy on the Venture X, that was devastating for me.
War on happiness.
Yes, lounges are such a huge part of where I derive pleasure in travel. If you're traveling with kids, you can't just leave them in the terminal to go into the lounge by yourself. That's not an option, unfortunately. No one will babysit them for you.
It's a sort
Uh,
of timeout. You don't get to have the fun in the lounge.
we opened the Boundless with the plan to product change it to the Ritz card this summer, which hopefully will not be nerfed any further. But as a byproduct of that decision, we got the 5 Marriott 50K free night certificates, and we wound up redeeming them at a property called the Courtyard Carolina Beach Oceanfront, which is, as the name suggests, an oceanfront hotel in Carolina Beach, which is just south of Wilmington, North Carolina. I did not realize that this hotel is directly next door to an amusement park. From our balcony, we could see the Ferris wheel going around and around.
Oh, cool.
It was
That's
really a
time.
terrific stay for the kids. Yeah, being so close. We were right there on the water, super easy to just walk out to the beach, indoor pool, outdoor pool, amusement park. We were set.
Nice. That reminds me of the harbor area in Washington, D.C. Lots of views from the hotel there and the MGM National Harbor Casino. So lots of cool things. It's cool to have a nicer view in a room.
Yeah, and that property, every single room has an ocean view. It is not a luxury property by any stretch of the imagination. But if you are a family with kids needing an easy beach vacation for 50K Marriott points, highly recommend.
Hyatt Regency O'Hare was cool as right outside of the suite that I got upgraded to thanks to Hyatt status. I saw many of the trains going by and the airplanes.
There were many of y'all globalists who got some pretty killer upgrades at that property, it sounded
You
like.
have to come early because there were so many.
Yes.
Breaking the attendance records, perhaps, for consecutive globalists or the most globalists at one property. You've had lots of success, and I think you've been in this game for maybe 2 years, or was it longer than that?
Yeah, it's been almost 2 years now.